Okay, in our part 1 of this series looking at an active volcano adventure, we are going to have a quick review of the present simple. When do we use the present simple? What is the present simple? Remind me. An example.
Every weekend, we try to do an outdoor activity.
Now, we use the present simple for habits, for regular activities that we might do, and also for states, and also facts, things that are generally true. Okay, so let's have a look at some habits. These are things that we do regularly. We often talk about these things with adverbs of frequency. For example, always, usually, sometimes, often, never, rarely. These kinds of words are called adverbs of frequency. So, for example, I always go out on weekends. In this case, we're using always and go. So this is like a regular habit or routine. Let's take a look at some examples from the video series.
Every weekend, we try to do an outdoor activity. Being a teacher, I spend a lot of time inside.
Now, we also use the present simple for states and for facts, things that are true. States are not actions. They're more like a situation or a condition. Stative verbs are verbs such as like, believe, know, think, belong, feel, hear, understand. These kinds of verbs are stative verbs, and we use them to describe states. That means they're not usually found in the ing form. They're usually in the simple form. We also use the present simple to talk about facts, things that are just true, okay? So let's take a look at some examples from the video.
So, I like to get outside on weekends. I also think it's good for kids to be moving around outside as much as possible too. From the top, the scenery is breathtaking. There is a hut there to shelter in there. I thoroughly recommend visiting this area.
Okay, now that was a quick recap of how we can use the present simple. Of course, there are other ways that you can use the present simple. Today, we're just focusing on these habits or routines, states, and facts. Okay, great. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Susan と一緒に Let's Study English! Yay!